adianta ficar de cara fechada.
Dá uma sentada que passa. Dá uma sentada que passa. Dá uma sentada que passa.
Right, hello, welcome YouTube. It's my Mrs. Gaming here, Bushtucker. It's me. Yes, hello, welcome all again to this fine afternoon of Crossout. So what have I got for you today? Well, this is the latest purchase pack you can buy from Crossout, which is the Spirit. It's called Spirit, and it's the Insomnia Pack. And with this pack, you get what you see before me, and you get 650 in-game gold coins, which is not a bad purchase at all. So it costs €10, or about £9, or £9.80, about a tenner in UK money. And what you get for it is you get this vehicle, which is a 3,456 power score, 773 durability points. It's currently using 51 parts out of my 80 slots, 9 of the 10 energy. You can see the mass and the speed, and currently we are rocking. You get 3 times vectors. You get a hardcore engine in it as well. You get these medium wheels and a wheel at the front. You get these cool stickers at the front as well. These extra bits and pieces as well. These spikes and knives, headlamps, and yeah, some extra exhaust and some mudguards, and the cool paint as well, which is like a mirror shimmery sort of metallic-y paint. Let's have a look. I'll tell you what the paint is exactly. Yeah, let's scroll down for it all. Half light, you get half light, and you got bumblebee as well. So yeah, 2 different paintings there. And you also get a wyvern cab. So collectively, if you was going to break it down and sell it, you'd do quite well out of just breaking the parts as well. You know, you have 20-30 gold for your engine, same again for your cab, same again for your machine guns, plus the 650 gold that you get. Bits and pieces for the spray cans as well. The colour is worth good money, maybe up to 300 gold per tin. So you know, you could, if you broke it down in that sort of aspect, yep, you're going to get quite a good value for your money. And it's nice to see that Gaijin and Crossout are doing some more lower end starter packs. So it's not bad as well, because you do get your slots as a beginner. You know, it's not that bad, is it, to spend a tenner on the game, and you get a bit of gold, and you unlock your slots to 55 as well, which is quite important at the start of the game, because it enables you to get more armor on it. So yeah, let's have a go. So we're going to go in the lower end stuff, which is nice. It's refreshing. So the vectors, they're not a bad machine gun overall, and get 3 of them on. And if you've been playing a little bit already, you may have extra things like, you know, I could have put a radiator on there or something to help with the recharge or cooling, or maybe put a cloak on it, you know, chameleon if you've got one, or a jack. Everybody's got a jack, you start with one, so you know, there's room for improvement. Right, we've got a game. Just take a bit of time being down this lower end power score, but we're in. So we're on Sector X. So these machine guns, they're really good for medium to long range, but they're good all round actually. They can deal with stuff pretty close up. So it's quite fast, quite nimble. Only got steering at the front. Doesn't seem to slow it down much. We can rip through and have a look and see what's going on. Whee! Oh! Look at that! Whoa, wait. I think he's chasing me. Can we do the old switcheroo on him? Yes, we can. So he's took one of my guns. Let's see if we can get his other gun off him. There, he's doomed. So you can see it do quite a good of a decent amount of damage. Constant. We got him. Right, we got a dude over there. Notice I'm doing some tap firing with this. Right, okay, we're getting his other gun taken off. We're down to 1. With that cool down around his back of there. We're just trying to get Can we steal the kill? Come on, we can steal it. Yes! Kill stealer extraordinaire. So we've got a dude going around the back there. He's seen him as well. Where's he gone? There he is. Try and get his drone down. Let's see if we can take his drone out. There's his drone gone. Right, now concentrate on him. Come on, recharge. We need to get his drone out the back door of his vehicle if we can recharge it. Come on, shoot it. He's got a flying drone at the back. Let's get it. There, he's got it. Now he's pretty much useless. Let's take his wheels off. We'll take his wheels off. So yeah, that's the starter vehicle, guys. It's pointless me playing more games than that, but you can have a look at the stats. There you go. I got 3 kills, MVP, no assists, 1,242, and I got my 19 scrap, some badges, and stuff like that. So that's it, guys. That's the starter vehicle. As you can see, well worth the €10 with what you get. You can always break it down and sell it. I think, like I said, if you collectively get everything together with the 650 gold that you get with the pack, I suspect, if I'm correct with saying the colours are right and even the stickers and things, you may be even close to getting 1,000 plus gold back. And when you look at it, what it costs to buy 1,000 gold in the store, meh. You know, or you get some weapons and stuff you need. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. And yeah, keep an eye out for more videos coming in the future. Cheers, peace out.